How to make a brain donation. Autism BrainNet facilitates innovative, high-quality research on donated postmortem brain tissue to better understand the biological causes of autism spectrum disorder and related neurodevelopmental conditions. By studying brain changes linked to autism, new treatments can be developed that could improve the quality of life of autistic individuals and their families. Considering brain donation for research may be difficult. Autism BrainNet makes the donation process as simple as possible for every family and provides support throughout the process. Donor families are treated with compassion and respect. Here are the steps for making a brain donation to Autism BrainNet. First step, call Autism BrainNet's 24/7 helpline at 877-333-0999 when a death is near or has occurred for immediate assistance. Second step, Autism BrainNet coordinates the donation and ensures it is safely transported to our nearest site, where the donation is preserved and securely stored for future research. Third step, an Autism BrainNet clinician follows up with the donor family to provide support and gather important information for research. Our staff is available 24/7. There is no cost to families, and brain donation does not interfere with autopsy and funeral plans. A brain donation to Autism BrainNet creates a legacy that helps advance research on autism and related neurodevelopmental conditions. In the midst of grief and loss, Autism BrainNet's donor families report that they find a sense of hope and purpose in their loved one's continued contribution to science. Autism BrainNet is a program of SAFARI, the Simons Foundation Autism Research Initiative. SAFARI's mission is to improve the understanding, diagnosis, and treatment of autism spectrum disorders by funding innovative research of the highest quality and relevance. For more information about Autism BrainNet, call toll-free at 877-333-0999 or visit our website at autismbrainnet.org.